Mula noon dumating ako sa Isabela, nagsasaka ako. And until now, nagsasaka pa rin ako. So, nararamdaman ko yung sitwasyon nila na kung wala kang ibang source ng income, magsasaka lang yung pinanggagalingan ng income mo at binagyo ka, ramdam mo yung hirap. Nararamdaman nila na hindi sila papahirapan ng bangko. Nakakalapit sila sa Pico Bank.
Pico Bank is a cooperative bank. Our common shares are owned by primary cooperatives. So these owners or members of Pico Bank are mostly agriculture-based cooperatives. Aside from the farmers, meron din kami mga kliyente ng mga microfinance. Since this is a cooperative bank owned by farmers, we can blatantly say that this is the biggest accomplishment of the farmers. Yung parang pinaka-meaningful sa Pico Bank is to be able to provide financial assistance, lalo na doon sa mga inaayawan ng mga malalaking bangko. Kami kahit na maliit lang yung sinasaka ng farmer, we give them the chance to grow. Sa amin, ang nakikita naming success is when we see these small farmers transform into a medium, larger farmer. Because yun ang aming roots, yun ang aming purpose in the financial sector. You help people grow and you grow with them. Pinaka-the best pa doon yung makikita mong yung mga anak nila nakapag-aral na. But what keep us going, what keep us growing, ay yung support na binibigay ng Land Bank. Yung bang nagbibigay sa amin ng lakas to strive for more.
Thank you, Land Bank. Nandyan lang kayo para sa amin na tumutugon kung necessarily na kailangan namin ang pundo.
With the assistance of a Land Bank, nagiging matatag ito at napalago ang business ng Pico Bank. Not only within Isabela, but in all areas that we build our branches. It's really an honor and privilege to be a partner of Land Bank. To us, it's a partnership that is blessed by God.